EHEYCIGA sent us these dog stairs for our review, and this one is the 4-step. You can also get them in 3 or 5-step. They even have like different widths, they have different heights. This one here is 18 inches in height. One of my absolute favorite things that I have not seen before is each of the stairs is actually hard because they give you these little cardboard that you can slip in and out. So if you don't want to use them, you can take them out. But I do love that because oftentimes these steps without them are too squishy. So if your dog is on the heavier side, like my dog is, it kind of doesn't give them that, enough support here to get up onto the bed or the couch. So that's really, really great. You've got a handle here so that you can move this around because again, if they're using it for the couch, for the bed, you've got all kinds of zippers. One of the really cool things that I need to kind of experiment more with, but I believe you can just like unzip this and then check this out. You can flip this over and then this, because you have like the hard piece right here, this kind of can become like a little bed for your dog, a space where he can lay down if you want to. So I love the fact that it is, multifunctional. And then as you can see in the video, we have this just here like on the bed for the dog so he can come up and down. He thankfully doesn't have any issues getting up on the bed. He loves to jump, but we are worried about his hips. So training him to be using this obviously is a really great option. And yeah, also comes in a lot of different colors. So of course it can match your living room and bedroom decor. But if your dog needs some little steps, highly recommend these.